Shug. Hi. Oh, wasn't mad. Hi. Don't cry. No, you're not very comfortable. Oh my goodness. Oh, I know. I know. I know, little man. Oh, goodness sakes. Oh, goodness sakes. Hi. Hi, little man. What you doing? You got a new heart. Yeah, you got a new heart this week. Oh, it's not very comfortable, is it? Yeah. Hi. Hi. Goodness sakes. Goodness sakes. Oh, look at the little man. Wow. Oh, you're such a big boy. You're such a big boy. Yeah, you